Hello, what's up, guys? This is Best King, and I'm currently on gold right now. So this is what I'm actually seeing on gold. Gold is at a very crucial area whereby you should be paying close attention to at this level here. You can see, and yeah, you can see gold would actually break through this major support zone that is pushing gold up. You can see whenever price touch that level, it pushed the price up again, and you can see after the touch here, look at the second touch here, and they actually push the price up to this level. And if you observe what is here, also here is another strong zone whereby this has been a very strong resistance zone whereby price has been rejecting around that zone. And after the breakout, you can see it massive how the price moved massively to the upside. So definitely, you know that the buyers are still in charge at this zone. Anything above this level is still the buyers are still in charge, but anything below the zone, definitely the sellers are still in charge. And you can see price actually break through this our strong support zone at this level here. Price has actually what this is our major bullish support zone whereby price has been rejecting around, and we have the breakout. This might be a fake out breakout for the early sellers to trap them in, or this might be what's the price is likely pulling back down here to make a correction and fully go into the sell. You understand? So if you observe what is here also, and you can see price touch here and return back to this level. This is acting as another support level, and price is actually at the zone, and you can see how price has been expecting that zone. Immediately price gets to this level, price has been expecting that zone to likely push the price up again, to push the price up to this level, and then push it back down again. Basically, if you are trading with this, with what is here, what we have just in here, that's basically what you should be looking at. But for now, and I'm expecting the price to also even actually return back to this zone, because I'm expecting the price, or even though the price want to start selling, I'm expecting the price to majorly return back to this level. So, which might likely push this price up here and then continue the sell. So, yeah, it's acting as a major resistance zone. Will definitely act as a resistance zone, though. We are price that is as a major resistance, our price is likely to react around and start continuing the sell, or wait until price break through this level. As I said earlier, anything above here is definitely buying, but for now we have shifted structure. But based on what we have here in the past, definitely will still be acting as a major support level for the price to continue going bullish. But basically, if I want to start taking any decision on buying, definitely I'll wait until I see price break through this level, and we have the correction back down, and before going bullish, that's when I'll start looking for a possible buy. But for now, I'm just definitely gonna be looking for a sell, directly on a sell. But I'm not just taking the sell blindly, just have to wait for a good indication and a good confirmation before I'll be taking the sell. So let's just watch out. If here is probably going to act as a strong pullback for the sellers to come in, or just going to be a fake out for the early sellers to trap them in. That's just it. So we just have to watch out carefully and see what the price is going to do. And don't forget, today is FOMC. So whatever the market is playing out today might be as a result of the FOMC today. So let's just be careful and trade carefully, guys. As I said, let's just watch out. Here might be a correction back down here to push the price down for the sellers, or it might be a fake out for the early sellers to trap them in and take their money and continue the bullish continuation. So we just have to watch carefully. So once price is here, we should be probably looking for a sell though until we have the breakouts. So definitely, if I'm to be taking a sell around the zone from here, price might likely pull back to this level. Then before we taking the sell, or if I'm to look for a possible buy, as I said earlier, wait for the price to break through this zone and a correction before we pushing up again. That's just what I'm looking at today, but I don't want to take this video for so long, guys. I hope you understand everything. So we just have to watch out carefully and see what the price is gonna do. And then, as I said, FOMC, there's FOMC today, so which is definitely going to change the market direction massively. It's going to change the market direction massively. So guys, let's just watch out carefully and trade carefully.